Yo, what's up everyone? It's 2025, and if you thought AI was moving fast before, buckle up because things are about to get wild. We're talking next-level AI, stuff that seems straight out of science fiction. Imagine apps that can build websites for you, write full-blown novels, even read your emotions. In this video I'm diving deep into 10 AI apps that are so advanced you're gonna be wondering how you ever lived without them. These are like superpowers for your digital life, so get ready to have your mind blown. First up, we've got to start with a legend. We all know ChatGPT, right? But ChatGPT 5, this thing is on another level. Imagine having a conversation with the smartest person on Earth. A person who can read a 300-page document in like 5 seconds flat and give you a perfect summary. Need a killer essay? Boom, code for a new app? Done. Want to write a song, a poem, a screenplay? ChatGPT 5 is your guy. It's not just spitting out information, it's actually understanding it, reasoning, and creating original content. Seriously, this is like having a portable genius in your pocket. What if I told you there's an AI out there that can build entire websites and apps from scratch? No, I'm not kidding. Meet Devin AI, the world's first AI software engineer. Devin can understand complex code, debug software faster than any human, and even apply for coding jobs. Think about that for a second. AI writing software for other AI. It's like something out of a movie. This is going to completely change how we build technology, guys. The future of coding? It's not human. Ever wished you could create content without actually having to record your voice? Maybe you're not a fan of how you sound, or maybe you just want to mix things up a bit? Well, say hello to ElevenLabs, your new best friend for all things voice. This app can clone your voice using just a few seconds of audio. It can read any text you want in any language with natural-sounding emotion and inflection. YouTubers are using it, audiobook creators swear by it, and marketers are going crazy over it. Alright, let's talk art because Midjourney 5.6 is changing the game. Forget everything you thought you knew about AI art because this thing is generating images that look like they were created by master artists. We're talking hyper-realistic characters, mind-blowing fantasy landscapes, product designs, logos, you name it. And the best part? All you have to do is type in a few words describing what you want, and Midjourney does the rest. It's like having a secret weapon for anyone who wants to create stunning visuals in seconds. Speaking of video, let me introduce you to Pika Labs. It's like Midjourney, but for moving pictures. Pika Labs lets you create entire animated video scenes from text prompts. Characters, objects, camera movements, dynamic lighting, it's all there. Imagine creating professional-looking videos without a camera crew, a studio, or even any technical skills. Filmmakers, advertisers, content creators, get ready for a whole new world. Okay, so you want to create awesome video content, but you don't have the time or resources for a full-blown production? No problem, Synthesia's got you covered. This app lets you create AI avatars that look and sound like real people. Just type in your script, choose your avatar, and boom, you've got a professional presenter ready to go. You can even create an AI clone of yourself. Ever wish you could remember everything you've ever seen, heard, or said online, like having a perfect memory of your digital life? Well, guess what? Now you can, with Rewind AI. This mind-blowing app records everything you do on your device, locally and securely of course, so you can go back and rewind your digital life like it's a movie. Searching for that website you forgot to bookmark? Need to find a specific message from months ago? Rewind AI's got you covered. It's like having a second brain powered by AI. No more lost notes, forgotten ideas, or frustrating searches. Okay, music lovers, this one's for you. Suno AI is like having a personal music producer in your pocket. Just tell it what kind of vibe you're going for. Maybe some lo-fi beats, some epic orchestral music, or even some head-banging rock, and Suno AI will compose a full original track complete with instruments, melodies, and even vocals. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or just someone who loves music, Suno AI is going to unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. Ready to meet your digital twin? Personal AI is an app that learns from your conversations, your writing style, even your values, to create an AI version of you. Over time, it starts to talk like you, think like you, and even respond to messages and questions as if it were you. It's like having a clone of your intelligence that's available 24/7. Imagine your friends, family, or team being able to interact with your AI even when you're not online. The future of identity is here, and it's powered by AI. Last but definitely not least, we have Runway ML, an app that's completely changing the video editing game. Think Photoshop, but for video. Want to remove the background from your video with a single click? How about adding special effects, transitions, or even entire scenes using just text prompts? Runway ML makes it all possible. It's faster, it's more intuitive, and it's going to give filmmakers and content creators superpowers they could only dream of before. So, there you have it. 10 AI apps that are going to blow your mind in 2025. We're living in a time where AI is evolving faster than ever before, changing the way we create, work, and even live. These aren't just cool apps, they're tools that are shaping the future. The question is, are you going to watch the AI revolution happen, or are you going to be a part of it? Let me know which one of these apps blew your mind the most in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on the future.